Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to start again on Deriv DBot. So we have loaded the bot and now we are going to analyze the index and prediction for today's session. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So we are checking the index for the prediction, like we are analyzing it. And whenever anyone purchased the bot, our team guide him how to analyze the charts and how to choose the prediction. So now we are going to do settings. We are choosing like trade type, stop loss and take profit. So yes, we are tension free because we know our bot will always hit take profit because it's built in with thousands of strategies. So yes, we have done with the settings. Now we will start the bot. You don't have to do anything now because the bot will do everything on its own. It will place trades using mathematical calculation and thousands of strategies that are already built in. And everyone asks like you use my tangle on this bot. So let me tell you, my tangle itself is not dangerous. Yes, it's dangerous on fake bots, but if you use correctly and with good strategies, it's not dangerous. So our bot uses mathematical calculation, and you will see ahead whenever a lost trade happen, the bot stop for a while and do mathematical calculations, and then place a trade when he is 100% sure that it will win. Now the bot is running and you don't have to do anything. Just you have to relax and watch the bot, and it will take like 10 to 15 minutes to hit take profit. I know now you are thinking like he said like take profit will hit in 15 minutes and the video is 5 minutes, so relax. I have done 1.9x speed for the video, so you can watch it easily. So the bot is running and now see it hit the loose trade, but the bot recovered in a second because Martingale itself is not dangerous if you are using in a professional bot, in a bot that is built with strategies. The bot is real, it will never give you loss. So yes, the bot is running. And yes, let me also tell you like the video will be uploaded on Deriv Binary Strategy channel and other Spanish channel and French channel. And if you watch on another channel, means it's fake. And I will put like numbers, WhatsApp numbers, Telegram channel, and the website in the video. So only contact there. Do not contact to fake person because there are a lot of scammers in the market and beware of them. So yes, the bot is running and you can see, and you don't have to do anything. You will do daily a one session, and in one session you will hit take profit. Then you have to just relax, go outside, watch movies, or do anything because the bot have already done everything for you. As you know, we are official Deriv developer partner, so we have developed our bot also. That's not Deriv DBot, that's Alpha Link Pro Premium bot that you can avail on our website. And we will make a video for that also because it uses real-time API and for the signals. Like in the bot, there is a signal generator and there is a execution monitor. The AI generates signals, and there is another AI that checks the signals and then it executes the trade. And it's like awesome, and it's built in with thousands of strategies. So you have to just click on autopilot. The bot will select prediction, the bot will select index, everything on its own. So we will create the video for that also. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.